Breaking news now coming in from Mumbai, with the Narcotics Bureau has seized the mobile phone of film star Deepika Padukone. The NCB has also seized the mobile phone of Deepika Padukone's manager Karishma, and also we are being told that possibly Sara Ali Khan's mobile phone has also been seized. Now remember, Sara had used that phone in 2019. The mobile phones, we are being told, will now be sent for further forensic examination. Sources add to India Today that the Narcotics Bureau had asked Sara for mobile phones used in 2017 and 2018, but she said she was unaware of whereabouts of those phones. Meanwhile, the Narcotics Bureau has also seized phones of Jaya Saha, the manager, another actor Rakul Preet, and also the designer Simone Thambata. Munish Pandey is joining me live for all the latest on that. Munish, that's big news that the phones have been seized, but I have a question here. They haven't been issued fresh summons. It is unlikely they will be issued. The team may also return to file a final conclusion report. So what use really will be the seizure of these mobile phones?
Well, Pooja, why these seizures of mobile phones are going to be crucial for the Narcotics Control Bureau? Now, there are two important points. First of all, if you just go back in the entire case, started from Riya Chakravarti and how Riya Chakravarti came into the drug connection, it was only after the Enforcement Directorate during the questioning seized the phone of mobile phone of Riya Chakravarti, and then they recovered the drug chats. And through that, the dots were connected, and finally it ended as of now to Deepika Padukone. Now, the NCB claims that the mobile phone will be sent for forensic examination because NCB was very much aware that when Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor, or even for that matter Deepika Padukone will be asked that whether they have consumed drugs or not, or whether they have supplied drugs to anyone or not, they will be refusing the allegations. And that is why these mobile phones will become important for two basic reasons. First of all, they would like to access all the WhatsApp chats, any messages they have sent to anyone.
Okay.
Those things will become important because then they will go back into the reverse investigation and they will try to find out whether they were indulging into such conversation about drugs to anyone or not. The second important point is going to be they will also go through the contact list of Deepika Padukone,
right,
Sara Ali Khan, and the other persons who have been questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau, because through contacts they may come across the peddlers who might have supplied drugs to the manager or someone, staffer of these Bollywood celebrities. So this will become crucial because remember, the evidence as far as NCB is concerned is very limited.
Yes.
Only based on electronic evidence, the NCB cannot pursue these cases, and that is why these, seizures will become important in future as far as Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, and other actresses are concerned.
Coming in here, and Munish Pandey telling us that while fresh summons have not been issued, some of the mobile phones of film star Deepika Padukone and Sara Ali Khan have been seized, and they will be looking at further forensic examination as well. So it appears not yet over. The trouble still possibly brewing for our film celebrities with allegations of drugging. Thank you so much, Munish Pandey, for all the latest.